Tutor website template with Divi. We have two excellent options, one premium and one free, to cater to your needs and elevate your online presence. Let's explore their features. Before we start, if you haven't installed the Divi theme yet and need guidance, click on the link in the description below for a complete walkthrough. Our first template is available in the Divi marketplace. Priced at $9.99, it's a worthy investment for those seeking quality design. Let's delve into the live demo to see what it offers. First up, we have the captivating hero section. This segment sets the stage with a compelling design that grabs attention and effectively communicates your message. Next, the About Us section is designed to build trust, showcasing your credentials and story in a visually appealing format that engages your visitors. The My Courses section is a standout, beautifully organized to display your offerings. It's structured to guide prospects seamlessly through your services. Then, we head over to the pricing section. This area is clear and concise, helping potential clients understand your offerings and make informed decisions. Lastly, the Contact Us section is comprehensive, featuring a fillable form and essential contact details. It's crafted to encourage communication and facilitate easy client interaction. Now for our free option, which is readily available once you download and install the Divi theme template. Let's break down its structure. First, we have a great hero section. It immediately captures attention while efficiently outlining your primary message for a strong first impression. The About section follows, showcasing your background and mission statement in a straightforward yet impactful manner. Moving on to the Our Services section, it's skillfully arranged to highlight each service you provide, ensuring clarity and appeal for potential clients. Finally, the Footer section includes a Contact Us area, serving as a dedicated space for client interactions with a streamlined format focusing on essential contact details. If you're interested in learning how to create and edit this free website template with Divi, check the link in the description. It guides you through creating a modern website with Divi and WordPress. And that's it.